In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Monday to Zoho projects. This process uses the most direct manual method, exporting a board from monday.com as an Excel file, then importing that file into Zoho projects as tasks. Before you begin, make sure you have access to the Monday board you want to move, and that you are already inside the correct project in Zoho projects where the tasks should end up. First, in monday.com, go to the board called Client Management. Once the board is open, click the highlighted area near the top of the board to open the board options. Next, click More Actions. This is where Monday keeps tools for exporting and other board-level actions. From the menu, choose Export Board to Excel. You will see another highlighted selection area related to the export settings. Click that highlighted option and then click Export. Monday will generate the Excel file for your board. Depending on the size of your board, this can take a few moments. When it is ready, download and save the file somewhere you can find easily, like your desktop or a dedicated migration folder. Keeping the file name recognizable can help later if you are importing multiple boards. Now switch over to Zoho Projects and open the project where you want the Monday data imported. In the Tasks area, click Import Tasks. When Zoho asks for the file type, select XLS or XLSX. Since you exported from Monday as an Excel file, next click the highlighted area to choose your file and select the Excel file you just downloaded. Then click Import. Zoho will process the file and move you to the next screen. Click Continue to proceed. On the following option, click None. This setting controls an import choice in Zoho, and for this workflow you are leaving that selection as None. After that, you will see the project selection step. Click Client Management to confirm the destination project for the imported tasks. Click Continue again. Zoho will finalize the import and may show a confirmation prompt. Click OK to finish. At this point, your tasks should appear in Zoho projects. If anything looks off, it usually comes down to how columns were interpreted during import, so it helps to quickly scan a few tasks for titles, dates, and owners. And that is all there is to it.